Hey, Ed from TrolMaster, going over the latest addition to the HydroX family. It's the TS2. It's an improvement over our TS1 in that it's going to give you more options on controlling the HVAC in your grow or your house. It has that 6-line connector there for the conventional as well as other various connections. Let's take a look. The TS2 is preloaded with 4 programs. It's got the cool only for central air conditioning. It has the heat cool with or without multiple stages, and you would use those wiring suggestions there. It's got heat pump, and it has heat only. This is used with the HydroX and the temperature humidity light sensor. You're going to have control over day and night temperatures in your grow.